East side, where you at? Phone lights at my nightstand in the black. Come here, you can meet.
Hi Mitches, and welcome back to my channel. This is Michelle Dominguez, just in case you guys didn't know. And you're gonna be here shopping with Brielle and I at Target. Say I miss you guys.
I miss you guys.
Yeah, I miss you guys. It's been like forever. So let's just go and explore Target with each other. When Brielle was little, this would be something I would get Brielle. This is so cute. And don't mind my ratchet nails. Like, look how disgusting this is. I have to redo them. And look how cute Brielle's little sloppy bun is. Bedtime is so 6 million years ago. Look how freaking cute. Brielle's like obsessed with dinosaurs lately. I bought her the dinosaur chicken nuggets and she's like obsessed. Oh, this is so cute. I think of like Princess Elsa. Right, Brielle?
Yeah.
We're looking for places to rent because our townhouse is up for lease. And I want to get like really cool picture frames. Let me show you guys. Like, how cool. Like, I even like this one. This is like super pretty. They have all the back to school supplies. Super cute. Let's see what it says. Whatever sprinkles your donut. Ooh, I like that. Whatever sprinkles your donut. Oh, it's a planner. Ooh, I really like this a lot. This is cute. Ooh, let's see this one, what it says. Make today magical. And then it's like a journal. That's cute. I like unicorns and pink. And this is really cute too. Catch your dreams. That's really cute. Oh, speaking of catch your dreams. So my favorite YouTuber, Kaylin Nicholson, she just published her first book and it's called Catcher. And I'll leave a link to it below where you guys can purchase it. It's on Amazon. So if you guys want to purchase it, she's number 3 so far. She wants to get to number 1 on Amazon. That would be amazing. So if you guys would go and purchase the book, that would be awesome. I'll leave all her links down below and the link to her Amazon as well. And Caitlin, if you ever watch this, which you probably won't, I love you and I'm so proud of you, and you're my best friend in my head, and you're amazing. Ooh, this would be so me. Holders and stuff like that. Like this is, look, this is $1, and this is super cute. This is so cute too. Can't touch this. Dreaming and scheming. So tell me how my camera just is zooming into things on its own and without me asking it to zoom in. Okay, I think I fixed it. So the hand sanitizer is aloe. I love this. Anyone who is going back to school should get like little wet naps, anything to wash and disinfect their hands. Let's see, if I were back in school, what kind of, I would get this as my lunchbox. Look how cute this is right here. It has little tassels. This is so cute. And it's glittery and rose gold. That's so cute. I would get that. Ooh, this one's cute too. That is really, really cute. Let's see what else. This is cute. This looks big too. This is really cute. To decorate your locker, look how cute this is. This little prism thing, magnetic prism light, that is so cute. And then little chandeliers and little magnetic pom-pom curtains. Yes, to like put on your locker and then to open it, that would be so cute.
The next day.
Hi Mitches, and today I have a very special video in store for you guys, requested highly from my brother-in-law Andres, and he wanted to know how I should make my special like breaded chicken. It's an Argentinian recipe. It's called Milanesa. And basically I already cut all the chicken into thin slices, so I'm gonna go and tell you what else we need. So we need garlic, we need fresh garlic, fresh parsley to cut. We also need milk, we need eggs, and that would be all. And then we're gonna put it into the bowl and put the chicken here too, and then you can leave it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so it can absorb all the ingredients that we poured in. But I'm not gonna go and do that today, so let's just go ahead and get to chopping. We're done with that. We're gonna put it in this bowl. I put 1 cup of milk to my measurements, and I put that in here. And then I stirred 4 eggs. And then I put that in there too. You kind of just want to put them all together. Apply the chicken. Make sure your hands are clean. And you kind of really want to mix them all in there together so the chicken can become one with the ingredients. Put some black pepper and just kind of eye it. I don't measure this. And this is how I measure this. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna get breadcrumbs, get them plain. Just gonna put them right there. You're gonna use a fork. So I'm done with this. Then I go and I fry them. So I'm gonna continue breading all the chicken, and I'll show you the final result after that. And yeah, and then you get some yummy Milanesa. So let's see the end result soon. And this is your final result. Hope you guys like this type of video that I did today. Chef Mitch in the house. I'm gonna call this segment. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and please share my videos. And yes, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I hope you guys liked it. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon.